Welcome to EKTV. Today, a moderate magnitude 4.2 was recorded in China. The quake hits China Saturday, 2nd April 2022, 1 p.m. local time, and 10 kilometers shallow depth. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 4.2, and European Mediterranean Seismological Center also report this quake with the same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. At the end, please like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel for more updates.